back on trail today. I am feeling 100% better.
100%?
We did try, what?
You're 100% better?
Yeah.
Nice.
We did take a 0 yesterday. When I woke up, I still just was feeling super tired and not feeling like walking on the trail. So
we had to force hydrations down her.
I did just rest all day yesterday, just laid around and drank Gatorade and water. So feeling much better. These, yeah, and Diet Coke. These two did not get sick at all, so pretty sure I didn't have noro. I don't know what it was, didn't go to the doctor, but anyways. So yeah, so we're back on trail today. Our buddy Roper showed up yesterday, so we are slack packing today. We are going to meet up with him later tonight. The other day, our friend Rob showed up and we got to hang out with him for the night.
I always say that trail angels appear when you need them the most, and Rob came in clutch
and saved the day.
Because it would have been rough walking like a mile to do laundry
and then resupplying, especially with me not feeling the best. So
yeah, huge
thank you to him. Yeah, what do we got for today? Heading into the Shenandoahs.
Yeah, so what we're going to be doing with our friends Roper and 511 here the next week or so, we're just going to be basically staying at Loft Campground and Matthews Campground the next few days. Today we're gonna shoot for at least minimum 21.6 miles with a 5,272 feet of ascent, 4,249 feet of descent to Blackrock trailhead. Like I said, that's minimum. We're gonna be able to do bigger miles with our slack packs.
Maybe not today, because we got
100%.
Because we got a little bit of a later start than we wanted to, but yeah.
Also, because of the campgrounds, we didn't purchase the backcountry permit and all of that whole jazz, because I have the lifetime pass to get in the park, and we already purchased the campground. So.
But if you are backpacking and you're gonna camp, you do need a permit.
Yep.
Just so you know. Anyway, do you got anything, Trip? All
right, with that,
we'll get going. We gotta meet Roper for lunch. It's about 11:15. Still have about 8 miles until we get to our lunch break spot. Just wanted to give a shout out real quick to Kevin. He was a real rock star the other day, helping me out when I was not feeling well. After we left camp the other morning, we didn't even hike that far. I was just feeling so tired that I just kept having to stop and take breaks just for a couple minutes, and then we'd keep going. We had over a mile left until we got to the road still. He took my backpack, threw it on top of his backpack, and literally carried it all the way to the road. So I think he just knew that if we kept going at the pace we were going, it was gonna take us a while to get that mile. But yeah, I am very blessed and very lucky to have my best friend looking out for me like that and helping me out. So just wanted to give him some props because he literally saved me the other day. So he's the best. All right, it's 4 o'clock. We are at Turk Gap. We had our lunch, and there's Roper.
Hey, I'm supporting.
He met us for lunch. Still have about 10 miles left for the day, so it might be a late night.
Or are you gonna just ghost her?
Yeah. Hopefully we can get there quick.
Down the road and then I'm gonna
Hopefully.
hitch a ride.
What is it, Blackrock?
I think so.
Yeah, Blackrock.
Blackrock.
Blackrock Lookout.
Looks
Woo!
like
Beautiful view.
it is.
And it used to be like a cliff, but over the years,
It's a couple minutes before 8 o'clock. We are at the Loft Campground. We got 2 campsites. This is one of them. And then the other one is just right over there. That's Roper's tent, and then Trip's over there too. We're on this side. We got 2 tent sites because we weren't sure how big they were gonna be. They're actually not that big. So we are kind of glad we did get 2 sites. Also, with 511 joining us tomorrow, now we have 2 places to park cars, so that's going to work out good. We ended our day today at Blackrock parking, and then Roper picked us up and drove us here. Tomorrow morning he'll drop us back off, and we will continue hiking north. I guess we're going to cook hot dogs tonight on the fire and spam.
Our favorite, spam, cooked spam.
That's, Roper and Kevin used to cook spam all the time over the fire when we hiked before, so they're excited about that.
Can't figure out how to open this. I don't know what the yellow is.
Am I gonna be breathing campfire again?
Me?
Mentally.
It's mentally, not
Oh.
physically.
Did you know that?
It is 10:30. It is way past hiker midnight, so we're gonna make this short and sweet. Had hot dogs for dinner, had a fire. It was really nice.
We didn't make any spams because we ate so many hot dogs. I had 7. I think Roper ate 4 or 5.
I had 3. Trip only had 1.
Yeah.
He had other stuff though, like Hot Pockets. We forgot to mention earlier today that we did get trail magic from Johnny
Shofar.
Shofar?
Yeah.
Yeah, he ran into us, gave us some Mountain Dews and a bag of Oreos. So, and he also blew his shofar for us, which is
It's like a Jewish horn.
horn, yeah. Only rabbis can blow it, and he is an honorary rabbi, so he's
Yeah.
allowed to blow it. We'll play you a short video of him doing that. Wow. Very cool. Today was a good day. It was
Yeah.
beautiful weather. Tomorrow is not going to be so nice.
It was awesome.
Weather-wise, that is.
It was awesome getting to hang out with Roper. And then tomorrow, 511 is coming, so it's like double the fun.
Yeah. We've been having a lot of friendly faces visit us
Yeah,
lately, so that's really
Rob.
nice.
Roper.
And now 511.
Yeah.
511 did do a grocery run, so we are looking forward to some of his good cooking.
Yeah.
He's very well known for whipping up some really good meals with Little Red, so
Yeah.
which is his
so,
truck.
I don't know if I said earlier I think I did at the beginning of the day, but yeah, we're gonna stay at Loft Campground for 2 nights and then Matthews for the next 2 nights. So we're just gonna keep hiking, get driven back here, hike, get driven back.
Yeah, so tomorrow morning will be nice. We won't have to pack up or anything like that. We can just get ready, go hike,
Go.
come back. We won't have to set up.
Hang out.
Yeah. But yeah, this is getting longer than I thought it would, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully not in the rain.
So this is the Shenandoahs, not the Smokies.
You were going to the Smokies?
We look spooky. Ooh. All right.